Hi, today from Keyless Entry Remote, I'm going to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I'm showing you today is compatible with the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. The part number for this key fob is 13500-226_OHT01060512. To open this key fob, your first step will be to push the button to release the key. Once you've done that, take your thumb and pry open the back side of the key fob. Once you've done that, you'll see the battery is located here. Now you may need to use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop the battery out. You may actually need to use this really small one. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new one back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Snap the back panel back on, close the key, and you're done. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, click on the link in the description below or visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100. Again, you can click on the link in the description below, or you can visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.